Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix network error in DeepL. So actually guys, this one is almost always related to your connection or device settings. Okay, so you will need us first to check your internet connection. So that's the first thing to do. You will need just to go ahead, hold and tap here, and then just switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn the airplane mode, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, on, then off, and restart your router if on Wi-Fi. Okay, and if other apps also struggle, the issue is your connection. Okay, so you can try YouTube, sending a message on WhatsApp, to watching reel on Instagram, etc. Okay, and also guys, I really advise you to disable the VPN and proxy. So just go ahead and turn any VPN and any proxy, okay, disable them. So DeepL often blocks unstable or masked connections. All right, and you can also check data restrictions, and that's only on Android. I'm using an iPhone right here. So all you need to do on your Android is to go with your device settings and then scroll down. You will find an option. It says apps. Tap on the DeepL app and go with mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is on and the restricted data usage on too. Otherwise DeepL can't connect properly. Okay, and as the last fix, you will need to go with your Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and look for the DeepL app. Tap it and then tap on updates if available. If still failing, just go ahead and install the app and reinstall it as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.